제가 추천하는 최고의 영어 단어는 confidence입니다.
confidence 어떤 뜻인가요?
명사 첫 번째, 신뢰, 두 번째, 자신감, 세 번째, 확신입니다.
confidence in English, what does it mean?
It means the feeling that you can trust someone or something to be good or well or produce good results.
What is your simple sentence?
My simple sentence is public confidence in the government is at an all-time low.
Say the sentence that has the word confidence in your book, The Old Man and the Sea.
But I'm sure he would have confidence. Many of the older fishermen will worry, many others too, he thought. I live in a good town.